Vanuatu is a beautiful island nation located in the Pacific, but the parasite like here is also facing a global issue, which is climate change.
Hi, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Climate change has impact a lot in this community, especially Urbi Island. We'll talk to one of the chiefs here to explain how the sea level rise has caused the livelihoods of these communities here.
Bibo lo semba ilug kemia na we alseme smen mi belai travel block embe bibo in all sem bibo kenu mi belai putu mo kata tau no mo bisia solota level block mi rise sabi ka manta tumas so imekim se bibo la chinsi ya esta bote mi bela tete lo highland bibo here
First time, kenu ya mi belai sta putum no mo place ya. Be with sea level rise, mi belai mas putum anda pol sem ya, lo one position all sem ya. So that makenu we mi belai stop using lo fishing, mo ko cross lo big island, mo small island pro collect mon kakai mi bela. I mean no float eco.
Vanuatu is already experiencing a lot of impacts in terms of climate change across different sectors in the country. That involves coastal erosion due to slow onset rise of sea level and also experience on almost island around the country, Vanuatu. Water salinity is also due to salt water intrusion. Drought in times of dry time, water shortage is one of the big challenges faced by our communities in some of the islands that are dependent to rainfall. Flood due to heavy rainfall which experienced by many islands which had never happened before.
mi belai just putum stone ani mi belai resim ablo putim smeno mo blo mekim se mi belai ka transport no every area
Mi belai pem cement and then mix him and then mi belai putum all stone. So protect them sa crown na minoko down lo salota, imi mas putum wall. The concrete should be spent on other things within the families and all communities. But when the sea level rise, we have to get the money. Instead of spending on household items and all that stuff, we spend it here. At first, we don't have all these plants here. But once we experience the impact of climate change and also the sea level rise, we started to put a stone wall. Therefore, we have to plant some trees, and especially when there is heavy rain, sea level rise, and especially during cyclone season, get rid of all the plants. When we put a stone wall, then there is change. We see the change. This stops soil erosion. If there is no stone wall here, then this manioc, this pandanus, this purpose won't grow here.
before we have some types of fish but now we just certain times we can find the type of fish coming back but not really.
If we do not have the sea wall, all these plants, this one, will be removed by sea level rise. So if there is no stone wall here, when the cyclone comes, the sea will move to this place. At first, we use diesel generators and engines, but due to the impact of climate change, we start to change, and now we are using solar. So we are using solar to electrify the houses in our communities, which is really good. And we need more of that to use in the coming future.
Hello, good afternoon. Nemblo mi Bob, mi flo small island lo repeat. Inside lo dispensary, by me car more information about islandnya. Mo wanem signa mi bela start looking inside lo dispensary. Small island lo repeat, me cut 137 household. Why me total lo 701 population lo Urupi. All sick we me bela look, me all influence like illness of flu, or cough, sometimes red eye, sometimes time we me come low time low rainy season you me face all big flaws will sabi happen lo skin lo all man lo blesia inside lo blesia too from well lo iya you me cut COVID-19 room lo blesia me desalination machine Belum mi vilai stop inside lo place ya. Water project belum mi vilai walk lo place ya. Sistemnya got 12 solar panel mi stop outside. Climate change we ka mi megam sesani mo strong olman oli run short lo water. 2015 mi vilai nomokat safe drinking water so mi vilai mas megam ting blo megam arrangement blo katon desalination water lo place ya. So since then mi vilai address issue blo sick ya i kota on.
Let's not forget the loss of biodiversity and finally the environmental degradation due to several tropical cyclones that we have experienced and more to come yet. The Department of Climate Change is taking the lead in partnership with other stakeholders. The main key stakeholders that are working alongside with the department develop policies trying to address the climate change impacts. So we all need community engagement, we need community support to work with the government. Together we can address all the challenges to become more resilient.